Have you ever wondered if anyone out there loves cheese as much as you do? Well, guess what? You aren't alone. There are others like you, and you all even have a name, turophiles. Yep, there's a word for a lover of cheese. There are many more phile or lover words out there too, and if you don't love cheese, maybe one of these applies to you. We all have that friend, or maybe we are that friend, whose catchphrase is, "It's 5 o'clock somewhere." They're the one to crack open a bottle of rosé right after work or take a weekend getaway to Napa Valley. Well, this friend is also an oenophile. An oenophile is defined as a person who enjoys wines, usually a connoisseur. The term emerged in France, appropriately enough, in the mid-1800s, based on the Greek word for wine, oinos. If you think there's nothing more beautiful than a full moon, you may just be a werewolf. But more likely, you're a selenophile. When not said of certain plants in botany, a selenophile can refer to a person who loves the moon. I use can because this word has some technical scientific meanings too. The origins of obscure phile words are hard to track down, but here's a fun tidbit. In Greek mythology, Selene is the goddess of the moon, ergo selenophile. This one's for all the Sheldon Coopers out there. A vexillophile is a person who collects or studies flags. The formal study of flags, called vexillology, dates back to the late 1950s, early 1960s. The word is based on the Latin vexillum, meaning military banner. Whenever Sheldon loses interest in theoretical physics, we see a bright future for him as a vexillophile.
It's fun with flags, fun with flags.
Okay, one more for now. If being a cat lady sounds like a compliment rather than an insult, then you're definitely an allurophile. An allurophile means lover of cats, of course. And you're in good company, too. John Lennon, Abraham Lincoln, and Pablo Picasso are all considered famous allurophiles. The ancient Egyptians even worshipped the feline goddess Bastet, and the punishment for injuring cats was severe.